Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic BMW X1. So this vehicle comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors and an electric tailgate. Inside the car it's leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's CD player and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around.
We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.